Here with another video for the wax clay series, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the initial strips for a Brazilian wax. Following this pattern will help you get your wax done in about 10 minutes. So first I'm starting with the inner thigh strip, then I like to move to the opposite side labia. So I do this because I don't want my strips to touch each other. I don't want them to get connected and make one big strip. And I also want to keep my work nice and neat, causing less pain to the client. So while that's drying, I'll go ahead and pull up the first inner thigh strip. Then I would pull up that labia I just put down, and then I would do the exact same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to do another inner thigh strip, and after that one, I'm going to do that other labia. So the first inner thigh strip and labia strip would have already been pulled up by now. I can't pull it up off the paper. So just pretend that those aren't there and do 2 strips at a time. When I get to the top, I do them one by one, just because again, sometimes the hair up there grows in 2 different directions. So I want to make sure I am waxing in that direction. And then once I do the second top strip, we'll be ready for cleanups for the Brazilian, and this is it, you guys. I hope this video helps. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Comment down below, and I will do that for y'all.